5 assets you should buy and you will not work again. Yes, today I will tell you 5 assets you should buy today and you will not go to work again. Before starting the video, hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malhotra. Welcome back to your channel, Finwithankur. Let's get started to the topic. The number one asset is your primary engine, business or skill. You need to work on your skills. If you are not working on your skills, you will not give a better life to you and your family. First, invest your money in yourself, your engine, your skills and your business. You cannot invest 50,000 a month into stock market if you total take home salary is 40,000, but you can invest 5,000 USD in yourself. Number two is physical real estate. Second asset class is physical real estate. Now I don't mean buying a flat with 70 or 700k loan, but owing a small amount of land here and there with 100k or 200k can give you a lifetime opportunity. It will give you tax advantage as well, monthly cash flow as well, and it's an intangible asset. You cannot move it, you will not sell it easily. Number three is stocks and passive indexes. Always invest in stock market. That's the golden rule you should follow. For how to invest, you can go to my channel and look into videos. Number four is speculative investments with high risk and high returns. I would like to say that everyone should invest 5% of their income in high risk, high returns like crypto or something else. Number five is gold. Yes, you heard it right. You can buy gold, physical gold or gold ETFs, because gold is the rare metal. It will go up again and again. Every time it will fall down. Now it's down by 15 to 20%. You can buy now and sell at a rise. This is 5 assets that will make you rich and you need not to work again. And see you tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel.